to Learn with Aanshi. This week we are exploring letter C with fun and engaging hands-on activities. So first, our letter C treasure box, in which we have so many things that begin with letter sound K. Next is the sorting activity to help identify the kids the objects beginning with sound K, like K for capsicum, K for cow. In the next activity, we rolled out the Play-Doh and pressed the objects beginning with sound K as well as the few different objects which do not begin with sound K, so that the kids can identify the objects and match them on the Play-Doh. For letter formation, we did different activities like salt tracing. You can use semolina as well. We used the letter formation toy, this is the wooden toy which is very helpful, and the Play-Doh mat. Then we also created a threading activity by using C for circle cutout. Cutting activity using the Velcro fruits was so much fun. Next is the sensory bin using the cloud dough which was prepared at home, and I used different cutouts which begin with sound K, like K for car, K for cucumber. This was a very easy DIY carrot matching activities using the different patterns. The kid has to match the patterns on the carrot. A fine motor skill activity for the putting the coins in the piggy bank. It is an easy peasy activity which can be prepared within 2 minutes. Practical life skills are very important. So the activity corn shucking was fun, not just on the basis of fine motor skills but also the sensory skills. Wriggling caterpillars was one of our favorite activity which we repeated multiple times. So what you need is, you just need a tissue paper, a glue and a pen. So roll out the tissue paper on a pen and then remove it slightly from the pen. Then mark it with different colored pens and then just see the magic happening. When you pour water, then these wriggling water caterpillars start wriggling and moving. Kids have so much fun. The C for camel number puzzle printable. Next is a craft activity for the C for clouds, in which we use the cotton, a cardboard and a glue. The kids have to paste the cotton on the cardboard, making clouds. This is an art activity using the recycled corn cob. Corn cob was painted and then it was stamped on the paper to make beautiful creations. This is for the letter recognition. Again we used a Play-Doh and then they were imprinted on the Play-Doh. And then the kid has to match the alphabets on the Play-Doh. This is a fine motor skill activity for punching out the letter C, which were written on a paper. Including the STEM activity, we used to teach the different parts of the corn. And finally, it's story time. We read letter C classics like The Very Hungry Caterpillar, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, Corduroy, Where's That Cat? And do not forget to check out our letter C printable activity bundle, which has the counting activities, tracing activities, visual discrimination skills. Do like, share and subscribe to Learn with Aanshi for more weekly alphabet fun. Thank you.